Let's say you want to create a rule that's triggered by incoming funds, meaning the connection between the income source and account will be activated every time money is deposited. Once you select this rule, a panel will open where you'll see the rule at the top, the trigger, condition, and action. But what does this mean? This is where you get to decide how, where, and when you want your money to go. Your trigger is the funds received into your income source. In this case, my salary will trigger this rule to take action. Next, you have the condition. It asks how to perform the action. It asks if. If the answer is yes, the action will be performed. If the answer is no, the action will not be performed. This is optional, so you don't need to fill this out if you don't want to. But you do need to complete the rule with an action. An action establishes what's to be done with this connection between the income source and account. It can either be transferred as a fixed amount, percentage, etc. For example, an action could be to transfer 50% of incoming funds into savings. So let's create a rule together. Based on the funds received from salary, if the balance of my salary is equal to $1,000, transfer 50% into my checkings. You can continue to add more actions to this rule. For example, I want the other 20% of the funds to go into my savings account. You can also add another account or add a limit. And then make sure you click save. Once you click save, it'll take you back to the map where you can see your connection. If you want to know the rule you made, you can hover over the connection or click on it to open the panel where you have the option to add a trigger by date. You can also check the settings of this connection by clicking on the applied rules, selecting the 3 dots on the right-hand corner and clicking settings. Here you can choose to activate or deactivate the rule, mark the rule as a direct deposit, or delete the rule.